Hi everyone, what's up? It's Joshua here from Alternative Brewing, and today we're brewing espresso using the Cafelat Robot Baristas. The Cafelat Robot is a lever-powered manual espresso maker manufactured completely from metal. The two versions available are the standard robot and the Robot Barista with the additional pressure gauge, available in blue and green. As manual espresso makers go, the robot is very simple to use with only a standard 58mm filter basket, a portafilter and dispersion screen as the removable parts, allowing for a hassle-free workflow for quick multiple shots with cleaning. The robot also comes with a spare seal kit, the metal tamp and double spout attachments for splitting your shots. So let's get brewing using the Robot Barista. The recipe I'm using today is a 20-gram dose, and I'm aiming for a double espresso of 45 grams out. But you can easily accommodate for upwards of 30 grams of coffee with the large filter basket, also allowing space for your brew water. So grind your beans to a fine grind. I'm using the Barista Espresso 270, and we're making espresso here, so it is an espresso grind. Dose your coffee into the filter basket and tamp down nice and evenly. Place the shower screen on top of your grinds, and then add your 55 grams of 95 degrees Celsius water to the top of the brew basket. Raise the lever arms on the robot and lock in your portafilter. Here's where you don't want to forget to add your cups underneath before you begin slowly pressing down on the lever arms. And this is the beautiful thing about the lever espresso machine. You can actually feel the resistance slowly giving away throughout your extraction of your shot. If it's way too easy to begin pressing down and your coffee's coming out too fast, then you're most likely going to need to fine your grind up. And you're always going to be tweaking the grind either a little finer or coarser, depending on that feedback you get from the lever espresso machine. But your aim is to build the pressure up to around 6 to 9 bars for the majority of your espresso shot. Don't feel like you have to push down though the hardest on the arms. So long as you're achieving that pressure of 6 to 9 bars, you're pretty good, and you're fairly flexible with time too. Without the pressure gauge, the resistance is still something you can feel, and you can time your shot and also watch the flow of your espressos coming out. Now I'm going to be pressing all the way down and hold it at the bottom once I've pressed to help release the pressure out of the basket. And just by raising those levers ever so slightly up, we'll stop the flow. And there's my double espresso full of crema and deliciously strong. I'm going to add some hot water to this for a long black, but you can add some of your favorite steamed milk too for a tasty latte or cappuccino. Reloading the portafilter for back-to-back coffees just requires you to knock out your spent grinds, dry out the portafilter, and repeat the process. And cleaning the robot is super easy. Rinsing all the parts underwater, give the seal on the piston a gentle wipe down with a damp cloth, and every so often I would soak the basket and dispersion screen in some espresso cleaner. And that's the Cafelat Robot Barista for you. It's a really funky manual lever espresso machine that makes great espresso, gives you the feedback from the extraction through using the levers, and it's built like a tank, so there's going to be minimal maintenance and it'll last a lifetime. If you have any questions on the Cafelat Robot, then throw them in the comments below, we'll get straight back to you. Don't forget to hit that bell icon so you can keep notified when we bring out videos just like this one every week. Until then, enjoy.